Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles Vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we are here at Paris and after research nakita ko na meron raw mga comic book stores dito at saka mga collectibles sa isang street. Gusto nyo bang makita kung anong pwedeng makita dito sa Paris? Let's find out! Hello guys, so nandito tayo, Plan de Quartier, yan, 67 Boulevard Saint-Germain. So dito sa Saint-Germain, ayan, makikita natin yung unang comic book shop, Album Comics. Ayan siya. Ito yata yung pinakamalaki. So, ang ganda ng building niya. Tapos yung pinakababa, Album Comics, ayan. So, pasukin natin. Okay. So, ayan. So, ang dami. Ang daming comics. Yan. So, Western comics siya. Pero I think meron ng mga French comics. So, tignan natin ang loob. Ha? So, ayan. When we go inside. Ayan. Ganda. So, pasok tayo. Ayan guys, ang dami nilang toys. Tapos may mga books. Tapos ito yung mga comics nila. So mga current comics. Ang dami oh. Ayan pa guys, so dami. Tapos meron din silang mga sa ano Hogwarts, mga yan quill. Ito yung kanilang Vision. Tapos ito yung mga action figures. Si Yoda, Star Wars, si Harley Quinn, Batman. Ito malalaki. Catwoman. Let's see, She-Ra, Transformers. Sapat yung mga Little Mermaid, mga Disney, Lilo and Stitch. Dami nila. Eto guys, so nandito na tayo sa street ano. So yung street is Rue Dante and this one is Pulp Comics. Ayan. Pulp Comics. So aside from here, tabi-tabi na to eh. So ito yung Apom Bapum. Tapos may mommy ulit dito. Tapos meron pa mga iba doon. So pasukan natin tong Pulp Comics. Pero itong ganda rin. Ayan. May mga limited edition sila. Tignan natin. Absolute Superman. Batman. Dito tignan natin. Ano itong mga to? Yan, may mga virgin pa. Ay, hindi, parang book. Pasukin natin. Ganda dito guys. So, ang dami nila mga exclusive. So, more on exclusive, ano sila, comics. And, ito may mga sign ni Jenny Freeson. Meron pa nga sila by artist. So ito Archer. Pero mga variant. Tapuan. So si Adam Hughes. Puro peach. Tama-tama para tinisip sa Super Manila. Scotty ang favorite ng mga Pinoy. So this is the Papung. So they have different books also here. So mostly more French comics. So here is the next store guys. So this is Mommy BB. So Rin Tin Tin. So let's see ano tinitinda dito. Oh, they have Smurfs. Yan. So si Rin Tin Tin. Ganda rin yung store, no? You go inside. So mostly French. So yan, yung little pencil sila. Ganda. Then ito guys, sa Pulp BD, pero puro manga. So ayan. Hindi ako masyadong familiar dito pero yan, yung Jimbo. Tapos ito, meron pa sila. Original Eric Herengel. Yung mga art. Yan. Ano nyo ba? Familiar ba kayo dyan guys? So kung familiar kayo, comment lang kayo. Ito pa isa guys. So Labidi to collect 20. So more older to. Older shop. So yan. Meron sila mga Marvel. Grabe, mahal, 180. Pero ano siya, parang maliit na book. French. Tapos yun, mga French copy ng Rin Tin Tin. Snaps, ang dami nila, 5 euro piece. Hello guys, so I am back here at hotel here in Paris and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga loots na nakuha natin, no, for today. So ikot lang natin. Ayan guys, so we've got two loots na nakuha natin. So first one, this is the Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy gift bundle. So it includes the collector booster. So ayan guys. So merong 14 card Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy booster. Ayan yung mga pwedeng makuha. If may True Traditional Foil Extended Art Legends, merong box na foil gift bundle card box. Masabi nila ito yung pinakamaganda kasi pwede ka talagang makakuha ng magandang card dito sa Final Fantasy na to, yung gift bundle. Okay, and secondly, ito yung pinakamaganda ko nakuha, this strip. So this one is an original page of Skottie Young. So it's 11 by 17. And as you can see at the back, kung makikita nyo. Ayan. So it's made by Marvel. Issue 8, page 13. Ayan. So Skottie Young, The Marvelous Land of Oz. Page 8, number 8, page 13. So this one, this is an early work of Skottie Young, and he won an Eisner Award for this series. So the Marvelous, The Marvelous Land of Oz. So I think this was created in between 2006 to 2009, and ayan. So this is an original page of Skottie Young. This is my first Skottie Young original art, and I really like it, and talagang sobrang saya kasi imagine of all places sa Paris ko pa makukuha tong original art na to. So again guys, thank you for watching, and hope you can, if you have time in going to Paris, yan, visit the shops that I've been through, and you'll enjoy kasi I enjoyed also dun sa pinuntahan ko. So if you want to see more contents like this guys, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles. So till the next episode guys, bye!